I heard you are very ambitious, and you really don't want to make mistakes when buying a car. Ambition drives us to seek the best options available, and the automotive market can be overwhelming. However, being strongly ambitious can indeed be exhausting. It contributes to the pressure one feels during such large purchases. But there's no need to worry anymore because your time of strength has come. Today, we have another car completed. It has successfully completed a rigorous 100,000 kilometer run on real roads during testing and is now ready for a comprehensive report. This car is the most expensive SUV in the XPeng G lineup, the XPeng G9, which signifies an important step in XPeng G's development over the years as they venture into the competitive EV market. The XPeng G9 has undergone several stages of development, starting from the budget-friendly G3 priced above 100,000 yuan to the limitations faced by XPeng G in lacking a mid to high-end SUV priced between 300,000 and 400,000 yuan. Up until this point, XPeng G had primarily occupied the lower-tier automotive market, providing sufficient vehicles for everyday users, particularly those interested in electric vehicles, but unwilling to exceed the budget threshold. Finally, they launched the G9 in September 2022, touted as the best SUV under 500,000 yuan, stepping in to potentially take over the market left by luxury brands like Porsche, helping to define a new segment of affordable luxury electric vehicles. However, since its release, the price of G9 has been unstable, fluctuating downwards rapidly. This has raised questions about pricing strategies in fast-evolving segments, creating concerns for early adopters about potential regret in their investment during such volatile conditions. After the purchase, within 3 months in September, the 2024 version of the XPeng G9 was launched. The price for the 60MX version surged to 359,900 yuan, which was quite shocking to existing buyers and sparked debates over value retention among early purchasers. This complete overhaul in model years and features can prove frustrating for early adopters, who might feel undervalued as newer models render their recent purchases less desirable. As we entered the driving experience phase, we conducted 2 comprehensive air quality tests. One of these tests corresponds to national standards that evaluate the car's air quality after being parked overnight. This test is crucial for understanding volatile organic compounds within the vehicle's interior, which can be a significant factor for potential buyers interested in the health implications of their new vehicle. Throughout the 100,000 kilometers, the XPeng G9 had to cope with some wear and tear, most notably with tire wear, an aspect often overlooked but which plays a critical role in vehicle performance. Over the lifetime, we changed tires twice, showcasing that even premium vehicles like the G9 are not immune to the issue of premature wear, commonly exacerbated by factors like weight distribution and driving habits. Also, instead of using hard tires that feel like stone, this vehicle is fitted with Michelin's Spot EV, specifically designed for electric vehicles with performance in mind. Despite having a durability index that is less than stellar compared to some competitors, this tire consistently maintained good grip during testing periods and provided adequate comfort, demonstrating that build quality and design matter as much as the specifications on paper. Upon running 100,000 kilometers, we discovered how much these wear rates tend to call for manufacturers to reconsider their designs and tire selections. This problem often prompts us to question the balance between sustainability and performance in modern electric vehicles. In conclusion, the G9's 100,000 kilometers test highlighted key concerns such as 2 instances of sudden power loss that occurred within seconds. Such power losses can pose severe safety risks if they happen during critical moments. While vehicle manufacturers continue to innovate, they must prioritize reliability as a core value, ensuring the safety of both drivers and passengers. This find is essential for other manufacturers as well. It reiterates the responsibility that comes with introducing new technologies to the public, especially in vehicles expected to set new standards within the industry. In the section regarding maintenance costs for the XPeng G9, we have gathered data and compared treatment over 100,000 kilometers, culminating in a reasonable expense. The early maintenance sessions were frequent, ensuring that all components continued to perform as expected. However, as we moved into higher kilometer counts, the service intervals became more spaced out, revealing a solid engineering commitment to longevity and durability. In total we've spent 5,272 yuan across 11 maintenance sessions, averaging out to about 520 yuan every 10,000 kilometers. Overall, XPeng's maintenance costs appear standardized, predictable, and far from exorbitant when compared with other electric vehicles in the same category. This comparison allows potential buyers a clear perspective on long-term ownership costs beyond the initial purchase price, which is crucial for making an informed decision. Performance-wise, after the 3,000-kilometer break-in period, we recorded the new car's 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time at 3.92 seconds. This close result aligns well with the official figure of 3.9 seconds, showcasing the G9's powerful yet controlled performance. An excellent selling point for buyers who prioritize speed and responsiveness. Even after 100,000 kilometers, it managed impressive figures for both acceleration and deceleration, providing a comfortable balance between power and control. This combination demonstrates that it is equipped to perform reliably under various driving conditions, whether in urban environments or highway settings, keeping the driver's confidence intact for whichever scenario they may encounter. Looking at the handling characteristics, the G9 exhibited stable behaviors during dynamic driving tests. It showed minimal body roll and straightforward steering response, reflecting well-engineered suspension and chassis tuning. To further substantiate its credibility, it underwent extensive road tests across varied terrains, including mountainous regions, city streets, and highways. This diversity in testing scenarios ensured a thorough evaluation of its suspension system's adaptability. Results showed that it handled bumps and curves impressively well, providing passengers with a comfortable experience regardless of the road conditions. In terms of design, the interior space of the G9 continually impressed, not just through luxury touches but also practical layout considerations. Features such as adjustable seating, expansive passenger space, and high-quality materials were evident. Framing the customer experience holistically, it's evident that XPeng's focus on delivering a harmonious blend of performance, safety, and comfort has set new benchmarks in the burgeoning electric automobile landscape.